Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create your own playlist on the YouTube Music application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the library icon down below, which is the third option. After that, click on playlists. Tap on new playlist. Then you should type in the title of your new playlist, add your description, and here by clicking on the public button, you are going to see that you have three options in terms of privacy. So you can set your playlist to be public or unlisted. Both of these options require your YouTube channel, and you have the chance to set it to private, meaning that it's only you can view your playlist and have access to it. So if you are done with it, tap on the button create. As you can see, your playlist has been created. So if you want to edit it, you can click on this pencil button and change its name, description, or its availability anytime. And if you click on the three dots icon, you have these options that you can see here. You can also delete it, share it, and so on. If you want to add songs to it, all you have to do is clicking on this add a song button, type in the name of a song, click on it, and as you can see now it has been added to your new playlist, so it will appear here. You can also select from these suggested songs that you can find in the suggestions section. So if you are interested in adding any of these, click on the this plus icon in the right side of the screen next to its title, and now as you can see, these items have been added to your new playlist. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.